Hi guys, today I have a really fun video for you. This is my 3 looks 1 collection video for the Essie Fall 2020 collection. I love all of the shades here. I have already reviewed all of them. I will have the video linked up here if you haven't already seen it. But basically, I want to create 3 different looks with this collection and show you how they're done. The first look I used 2 different shades from the collection. So the shimmery gold is in the color Don't Be Spotted, and the purplish wine color is called Swing of Things. So I put Swing of Things on all of my nails as a base, and I reverse stamped a little gold strip in the middle of 2 nails. I just feel the purple with like the mattified look really looked like a purple velvet, and the gold shimmer just looks like the edge of a chair, like a purple velvet chair or like a purple velvet door, and you have a gold handle. So anyways, it just gives me a lot of those kind of classic vibe that just feels very architecture like. I don't know, I liked that so much. I thought it just turned out so very luxurious. And the plate I used for it is Nicole Diary 156. So the next look I did was kind of interesting because, well, at first I wanted to use just 2 shades, the green and the brown. So the green is in the color Heart of the Jungle, and the brown is called Cargo Cameo. I saw this image from Moyra 91 Spicery plate, and on that plate there's this little like image of nuts. I just don't think nuts are, well, other than acorns, right? Like actual nuts are not very represented in a lot of the images. And on top of that, there is a image with a little plant with nuts on it. So I just thought that was so unique because I've seen a million different variety of like flowers with leaves kind of images, but I've never seen a nuts with leaves kind of image. So that just like pulled me over. I had to use that. I figured the brown could be the nut and the green could be the leaves. But then I just couldn't find a happy base color from this collection. I did this mani using, kind of cheating, using Dimension Nails Hello I'm Vegan. It's a gray color as a base. I thought that turned out super cute, but it kind of broke my rule for this 3 looks 1 collection kind of thing, because I told myself I could not use anything other than black or white as additional colors. So after that mani, I just decided, you know what, there's another image that's just nothing but nuts, and let's just use the green as a base and use the brown to fill in the nuts. So that's kind of the story behind it. I think I do like both manis. I probably like the mani with the gray base just a little bit more, but just consider the mani with a gray base as a bonus, I guess. It's just like how I came up with it, I guess, but both of them are really fun. Now I'm gonna roll you the footage with just the nuts. The last mani I did with this collection is a little bit borderline kind of summer to fall transitional, just because, you know, I was still kind of hanging on to summer. I wanted to do something a little bit cuter and fun before it gets too cold. And this look, I mainly used the blue in the collection. This is in the shade Waterfall in Love. So I put this on 3 nails, and I used white as a accent nail. And on the nail with a white base, I just picked up this little image from Born Pretty Artist L006. There's this kind of, it's really cute. It's like flowers coming out of a pair of jeans. And I used the blue to reverse stamp, and I used the red and green to fill in the flowers and the leaves. But the problem that I had was that the black stamping polish was way too close to the blue because it's rather deep. So you can you can hardly see the pockets or the seam lines of the jeans, which I felt like it kind of lost that cuteness if you don't see the seams. So my solution to that is that I use white stamping polish to just pick up the jeans part and stamped that over so that you can still see the pockets. And then on my middle finger, I just stamped a little some more flowers and leaves to kind of give it a little bit accent, and then they can all be brought in together as a whole mani. So I really enjoyed that one. So that's all of the 3 looks I did, plus 1 bonus look with this collection. And like I said, my rule was always to bring in nothing but black and white into the looks. And I think those colors, even though there are only 6 polishes, but they are extremely versatile. I did come up with different looks, you know, summer, fall, or luxurious architecture kind of manis. So I was really pleased with all of them, and like I said, the formula of those polishes are all phenomenal. So I hope you will go check out the actual review of this collection that I did a couple of months ago. I will have it linked up here and down below again. And I think that's it. I hope I have inspired you to paint your nails a little bit more often, do some nail art. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.